How is it possible to earn $400 by merely getting people to click? Well, typically, it is impossible to get that much money by simply getting people to click. But there is one loophole that only a small group of individuals are abusing and exploiting to make a lot of money. I'm talking about making $20,000 to $30,000 a month using this underground loophole method, and those folks would never disclose the secret review because the fewer people who know about it, the more profitable it is. How I wish someone had told me about this strategy when I first started. That would be fascinating. Now there's only one catch. Please watch every second of this video, do not stop halfway through, and do not skip any steps because each one is crucial. Also, at the end, I will show you a bonus trick to literally earn 20 times the money without spending any money. And it is completely free and available anywhere in the world, so stay tuned and keep watching. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. With that said, let's get started with the video. Now pay close attention because this is going to be a brand new website that you have never seen before. This is really cool because you can make so much money from many revenue sources on just one single website. Now have a look at the money that you can make. From $1 to hundreds of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. Take a look at all of the many categories of things you can do on this website. But how do you know what you should do? This is probably the first time you have seen this website and you have no idea what you should do. But let me show you right now. When you hover your mouse over this trending tab right here, you will see the top 10 categories that you can focus on and start making the most amount of money fast. Now the number 1 category is dating. Number 2 is money and hours. Number 3 is CPI. Number 4 is free trial, and so on and so forth. So you have to do one of these top 10 categories to make the most amount of money on this website. Here is the first advice I want to tell you. Please pay attention because, in my experience, the most money you can make is in the money and hours and weight loss categories. I will show you a few real-life examples on how to do this, so stay attentive and don't miss any vital stages. But before we go any further, make sure you have subscribed and click the like button. I'm going to use weight loss as an example. For this offer, you can make $9.60, and on this one, you can make $15, and this one, $55, and so on and so forth. The money you can make is limitless, and you can get paid over and over again every single hour. The best thing about this website is that you can earn multiple streams of income by doing just one thing. This is crazy, and no one else would ever teach you this secret. But as always, I will do my best to help you. I will show you my secret on how you can earn 5 to 6 income streams by doing just one thing. Let me give you an example using this offer. Green tea weight loss treatment. Now when you click on them, you will see here the payout is $9.60. Basically, what you're going to do right here is you're going to share a link on different websites to other people, and then when people click on your link, boom, you are going to make money. This is amazing, and the best part is people don't have to buy anything from you. They don't have to pay you anything. This is amazing, and the best part is it is 100% free. And when people click on your link, for example, you can share a link about green tea weight loss treatment, and if people click on that link, they will go to another website of the website order, and boom, you make money. It is that simple, and every single click earns you $9.60 over and over again. Check this out. You have a bunch of different offers. For example, you can earn $55 just by sending people to this website. And for example, the keto weight loss now, as you can see here, the pair is $55. You guys, this is incredible. But we don't stop there. We are about to show you a secret way to generate multiple streams of income by promoting and sharing different links of different offers all at once. That way, you can probably make 10 to 20 times more money. Now, that is just a brief explanatory note. You might be wondering why they want to pay you for promoting their link and getting people to click on it. Well, all of these different companies and businesses want people to go to their website to see their content and eventually buy something from them. So, what you're going to do right here is send people to their website, and then they're going to pay you for doing that without you having to do anything. And this is also known as CPA marketing. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you must make a sale or sell something, with CPA marketing, all you have to do is get people to click on your link and fill out some simple information, and you will be paid. This is the best opportunity for you right now if you have a phone or a computer and you have 10 to 20 to 30 minutes a day and you want to do it from the comfort of your own home, especially if you have children. So let me quickly show you one of these examples of how you might profit from this service, which is the green tea weight reduction treatment. When you click on this link and then click on join network, you will be redirected to the owner's website. Now you will scroll down to the very bottom of this page and find a button to sign up as an advertiser. You will fill in your details right here and enter your address, then click on the next button to create a free account, and you will be given a very unique link to promote. After you sign up for an account and get your link, the next thing you're going to do is combine a lot of different links and a lot of different offers in just one place, so that when you send people to that one link, they see 5, 6, 10 different offers, and you can build multiple streams of income in just one place, which is crazy. Let me show you exactly how it works. First and foremost, you will go to this website's link tree, okay? Link TREE. When you scroll down below, you will see an example where you can just put in one link for free and distribute it to all different locations, which I will show you how to accomplish at the end of this video. Don't worry, you will be able to create several streams of revenue after that. I will give you some examples utilizing Selena Gomez and Gary Vee. This is the Linktree profile, which means you can set up multiple links, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different links. For example, when people click on the first link, they will go to the website, and when people click on the second link, Shop My Official Store, they will go to the second link, which is the Selena Gomez online store. Now this is going to be the game changer. Let me show you another example of Gary Vee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 links. I want you to think about this when you can link so many different offers. For example, your first link could send people to this pharmacy grid, weight loss, or $68. For example, your second link can send people to this offer and you will make $27. And your third link can send people to this and earn $68. And you can do up to 15 links or even more. You can earn all of this money using this free application and software in just one place. Let me show you how to get started now by clicking on Get Started for free right here and then entering your email, username, and password. Let me show you step by step how to do this by entering an email right here, then my username, and finally my password right here, and then clicking on the register button, and then you have to put in your name now. I'm going to put in Cashflow Express right here. So you have to choose up to 3 different categories that best describe your link tree. So I'm going to pick one. For example, health and wellness. Just click on I am not a robot, and I just have to complete this right here and then click on verify and then save details. Now this is very important because you can do this for 100% free and you don't have to pay any money to do the pro version. Just do the free version right because you will get all of the basic functions, and this is completely free, 0 money to do this. So I just click on continue with free now. This is what they're going to show you. Thanks for signing up to verify your account. Click on the link and then send to your email inbox. You have to click on continue and then they're going to go. But first, let me show you how to create a link in your Linktree account. When you get to the main page, you will notice this new link button. Simply click on the green button and you can create your first connection right here. Now, the first thing I want you to do is select an offer that will pay you the maximum money. For example, I want to share this link of this offer so that I can make $68. So I'm going to get the link and then go back to Linktree and just paste the link right here. Now for my title, I'm going to type something like lose weight fast in 7 days, and then I'm going to click on this bar right here to turn them on to make them green. So this is the first link, and when people click on this link, they will go to the official website and bam! I can make money. Now I want you to click on this green button to add the second link. This is amazing! I can drag this to the top so that this is the first thing that people see. The second one, I will alter the title a little bit. Learn how to lose weight from the comfort of your own home. Make it unique so that some people would enjoy it and click on other links, allowing you to generate multiple streams of cash once more. Turn this one on and I'm just going to put my link right here. Make sure it's green and then you can repeat the process. For example, I'm going to go to page 2 and check if there are any other offers that I can promote. For example, I'm going to do this $17 deal, this herbal slimming formula. I'm just going to grab this link and then return to this page where I'll just change the link to this link right here and then return to this page. I'm sure I'll be able to do it again and again. This is something I can accomplish for 7, 8, or 10 distinct links. I will show you right now that you can do a lot of different things. For example, I'm simply going to do title 1 and title 2, and then you can see here that I can do a lot of other links right now once you finish editing. You can add up to 20 different links right here once you finish everything. The more links you add, the more money you will make. Now once you've finished putting up all of your teeny little links, this will be your final link. Okay, this is the link that you are going to share and get people to click on. This is what they are going to see. 1, 2, 3, 4 different links all in one spot. Every time they click on them and fill out some basic information, you're going to make money. People will click on any of these links to go to the website and make money. This is the best opportunity for you right now to build several streams of income by using Linktree. So let me show you how we can get a lot of people to click on your link. What you're going to do is copy this link and then go to Twitter and sign up for a free account. Now once you're on Twitter, go to your homepage and type something like how to lose weight and you will see different people talking about how to lose weight. Now if I click on one of these tweets, we will just go down below and you can find a lot of different posts, but you can leave a comment like all the other people who are also commenting. So what you're going to do here is type in if you want to learn how to lose weight. I have some free tips for you guys. Just click here and then you're going to put in your link right here, and this is your link tree right here, and then you're going to post this one and hundreds of people are going to come on to this post and they're going to look at your comment, and if what you type right here sounds interesting to them, for example, you're going to tell them that they can lose weight and that it is free, so just put your link right here. If people click on your Linktree link, they will go to the main page where they can find different links that you put in there, and they'll click on them, and every time they click on your link, they will go to the official website where they will enter some basic information, and bam! You can earn money per click over and over again, which is fantastic. And this is just one keyword on how to lose weight again. You may just respond to those comments and publish your Linktree link on Twitter, after which you can repeat the process. You can locate a variety of tweets, simply write a comment with your link, and that's it. If you want something faster and easier to make even more money, I highly recommend checking out One Page Profits. Basically, One Page Profits is the world's quickest and simplest breakthrough for automated $300 commissions from free visitors, and it works by automatically assisting you in creating plug-and-play money pages that perform all the selling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and by using One Page Profit, you can produce commissions like this, which is over $4,500. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.